What's up everybody, Bella Rose from TechCity back again, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Haven't done that in a brief minute. Now today I'll be unboxing the Oppo A96, one of the devices in its A series, which was launched very recently in Lagos, Nigeria, and yours truly was at the launch. Here is video and picture evidence. Let us unbox the device. Come with me. So this is basically what your box comes with. Let's fit that into the pouch, shall we? So there, camera is on this side, the dual back camera on this side, 15 megapixel sensor, and of course the AI cam, flash as well at the back, power on and off button here, and of course this definitely means that it supports fingerprint sensor unlock here, volume rocker on this side, charging ports, earpiece jack, speaker grill, microphone, another microphone up here, and the speaker up here as well. I like the pouch. I like that it's like sort of gray or bluish on the sides, but then it's transparent at the back so you can see it gives you a clear view of what the back of the device is. Totally love it. Doesn't weigh too much, it's not too heavy. Feels, good on the hand. Ooh, screen recording. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to check out way too much on the phone. Okay. Now, it's really difficult to not talk about some of the features that we heard that the device will be packed with in an unboxing video, but that is the essence of a full-on review, which you would have to look out for right here on our channel. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and come back sometime soon when the review is ready. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.